Hi and welcome to my channel. This is my first video in a long time, so bear with me. I'll be uploading more videos about my hobbies. Please like and subscribe. What I have here is an exercise system that does not require weights. It uses resistance bands. The entire point of the system is to distribute the load as you pull on the handle on all the anchors on the ceiling joists and wall studs. It uses stretch bands. You can stack more as needed. It's made up of straps, as you can see, pulleys, heavy duty carabiner clips, D-ring tie down anchors, also a portable resistance bar or pull-up bar with the swivel rings attached to the ends. Very important. I'm using 1/8 inch stainless steel cable that is vinyl coated, and it's about 11 feet of this cable in total. This setup is for a room that is 8 feet tall. It is attached to the ceiling joists and wall studs. You'll have to find your center stud. Mine are 16 inch apart, and your ceiling joists. And this setup makes all the straps work together to handle the load. So when you pull on the handle, it's like pulling all the straps together at the same time, so it doesn't fall apart. I've put about 160 pounds in total of resistance bands, and they handle it pretty well. Each strap can handle about 200 pounds, and we have 4 straps in total on the system. Here's a closer look of the top section. In the ceiling, we have 3 ceiling joist anchors on each side, the left and the right, and there's a total of 4 wall stud anchors in the back. The left ceiling strap starts from the last left ceiling joist anchor down to the first wall stud anchor, then back to the second ceiling joist anchor, then down to the third wall stud anchor, then back to the first ceiling anchor, ceiling joist anchor, then hooks onto the left pull-up bar ring right here. Bam. Same thing goes for the right side. Same zigzags between the ceiling joist anchors and the wall stud anchors, and then finally attaches to the right pull-up bar ring. You can see the wall left strap right here going through the left ceiling strap hook eye, and goes across to the right and attaches to the first ceiling joist anchor right here. You can tighten the strap using if it's a ratchet or just like the teeth that kind of pinch the fabric of the strap. I use the same for the right wall strap, like I said. Then you have the 2 pulleys attached to the left and the right pull-up bar rings with your cable. Make sure you get the pulleys with the cotter pins, as you can see here, because it's gonna be easier. You can take the center wheel off and put your cable in. So one end of the cable is coming off of this left pulley, and the other end is attached to the left pull-up bar ring in order for the system to work. So here's one end of the cable, and here's the other end of the cable. here's the bottom left and right strap hooks. Now remember, you have the center wall stud, so you measure from the center 16" to the left and to the right, and then that's where you have your bottom wall stud anchors. Now the strap hook goes through the anchor, and that way you can attach the resistance bands to the anchors. To the hooks, to the strap hooks. Here's your third pulley, and I recommend you to use a large hook instead of the spring clip shown here. Right. Here's another picture of the left side linkage. I'm sorry, that was the left side, this is the right side. Now here's a side view of the left ceiling strap, how it zigzags between the ceiling anchors and the wall anchors, and the end right here. Here's another from the top right ceiling strap going to the second wall anchor to the last wall anchor, goes to the first, and then first ceiling anchor and down to the pull-up bar. So here's a little video of when I'm pulling the resistance bands. You can also do pull-ups, obviously. You can attach those straps so you can do leg ups. Here's another video. Something else, I attached another cable and another pulley at the bottom left, so I can do sort of like bicep curls. Now if you wanted to have dual cables for the left and right, you could use double pulleys, and I'll put a link to the double pulleys. Just remember that you'll have to have 3 double pulleys, and you're going to require another handle, and what else? All the other links. And that is it. I'll put a link for each of the components required to make this cable pulley exercise system. If you have questions, please leave it in the comments, and if you like this idea, please like and subscribe. Thank you.